Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Can you guys hear me? We're going to get started here in just 9 minutes. We're going to cover the market open, all the breaking news. Who's excited? Who's ready to battle the bankers? Figuratively. Let's go! Smash that like button if you're excited. We're going to be starting here in 8 minutes and 45 seconds. If you're ready to push back, if you're ready to push silver over the top, channel members, drop that war emoji in chat right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 8 minutes covering the breaking news, answering your questions, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to be watching the market open together live. Are we going up? Are we going down? Do we need a baby gator? Answer that poll. Let me know what you think. They told me for years I was crazy for stacking silver, that I should put my money in the stock market like everybody else. But I kept pushing, I didn't listen to them, and I kept stacking 1 ounce at a time. I did what no others would do then, so I could do what no others could do now. I kept the faith. 1 ounce at a time I kept stacking, and it went higher and higher and higher and higher. But ladies and gentlemen, I firmly believe we're not done yet. Those with the intestinal fortitude, those who are unshaken. Is that you? Are you going to be dancing with me in the streets? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 6 minutes and 30 seconds to break it all down. Smash that like button if you're excited. Smash that like button if you're steadfast. Who's unshaken? Let me know right now in chat. Who is unshaken? Let's go, let's go. Voices rise like a tidal wall. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I just tweeted out on X about the live stream. So if you've got an X account, you can go retweet it, like it, whatever on it. I would really appreciate it. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. We're going to be live here in 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Yes. You know, they used to say, if you put all that money in the stock market, you would have made so much. So I crunched the numbers. If I put the money when I started stacking the stock market, I'd be up about 250% right now. Whereas with silver and gold, I'm up 500%. I think I like those results better. What do you guys think? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live covering the market opening here in the night's trading session after hours. We're going to be answering all your questions, breaking it down in just 5 minutes. Smash the like button if you're ready. Stacks of silver, stacks of gold. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Silver Surfer is not shaken, or is shaken but not stirred. That's funny. Let's go. Let's go. For all. Yes. Keith Peavy House, you left your clothes in the war room, dang it. Can I send you some silver? Maybe, if you win the Megaga. Are you subscribed? Let's go, let's go. We're going to be live in just 4 minutes covering the news, breaking it all down. Lots of news today. We're going to be watching that market open back up together. Do I have any crustaceans in the chat? Are you with me?
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright.
Bright, bright.
Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance.
Nice, Wayne. Goodbye.
Silver shines.
Yes, we got the crab, Daniel. We have the crab. Let's go, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Who's joining the quest right now?
You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Silver Keys, email me. I might be able to connect you. Seamar's in here a lot.
So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await. You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Who's ready?
Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 2 minutes and 30 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves, and we're going to be watching the market reopen together. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Smash that like button if you're ready here. Oh, is that is SHTNF in the chat? Is he in the chat? Is he in the chat? I don't see him. Here we go. Get your claws up. Yes. Let's get it.
Gold and silver, who wants it all? Are you ready for the mega gaw?
Guys, let's get a crab dance going. If you're ready for the stream, drop a crab in chat right now. We're going to be live in just 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes. 1 minute warning, 1 minute warning. Smash that like button, 1 minute warning.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the shell brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up.
Do you guys want the old school intro or the new, the little kid intro? Old school or kid? Let me know.
Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's go. Let's get it. Epic America first. Here we go. Buckle up. Everybody buckle up.
With me. Dance with me.
Here we go. Here we go.
Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. I'm sipping on some zero water this afternoon. Where are you at in the world, and what are you sipping on? Ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to believe it. We are at 67,231 subscribers. That means only 69 more subscribers to 67,300. That will trigger the big show. Some say if you haven't seen it, you haven't lived. Over 2,000 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures, and the last two are heaters, guys. The last one was a $400,000 fake gold scam with pawnbroker pickers. Big YouTuber, that's online. The one before that was in a coin shop in Prague, and yes, I was walking there, and the air raid sirens went off. So, ladies and gentlemen, heaters, make sure you check them out. And let me tell you guys about another heater. Silver today, after all the attacks, after all the drama, after all the chicanery, ladies and gentlemen, we finished the day up 0.18%, 0.18% up for silver. So we finished at $80.76. They had smacked us all the way down to $79.52, but we said we're not going to take it, and we pushed back. The silver futures closed at 81, so we did close in contango. Gold did close on a green candle, $5,006.56. It closed down 0.28% today. Not a big deal for gold either. Ladies and gentlemen, that gold to silver ratio got as high as $64.44. Sorry, I always say dollars. The gold to silver ratio got as high as 64.44 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold. And right now it's currently at 61.95. 61.95 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold. I always want to say dollars. I don't know why. And guys, look at this. The bell of the ball. The Shanghai Futures Exchange hit a high of, actually a high of 93.44. It closed at 92.56. And this will be opening back up at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's in 3 hours and 16 minutes from now. But gold and silver are both going to be opening here and moving in just 15, 16, 17 minutes. So it's about to be absolutely a wild. We got Ontario, Canada, Steve sipping some whiskey. We got WXYZ in Japan sipping or eating or sipping or doing whatever with some miso soup. That's awesome. Wendy's in Cape Cod drinking some cranberry. We got Virginia and 420 with Silver Bobcat. We got NOLA with iced tea, please. That's Shotgun Susie, iced tea and NOLA. We've got, Casa Hout in Netherlands, sipping on water. Is it still or sparkling, my friend? Probably sparkling because you are in Europe. Let me know. Stacking for Fun is watching the snowfall in Southwest Virginia. That's awesome. We got KTM here saying that they want the big show. We've got Jim Reeves in Tampa Bay with wine. We've got Mark, channel member, thank you for the support, in Chicago with Budweiser. We've got Silver Surfer Coins, channel member, thank you for the support. And New York, sipping on a Coke Zero. Did you guys know that if you mix alcohol with a diet soda, it actually makes it more, it magnifies the effects? Did you guys know that? If you mix it with a diet soda, yeah, it's science. It's real though, it's true, it's real. Okay, so look what I said here. I've got some news to break down, and then we're going to flip back to the charts here for the market open. And then we're also at that time, too, I'll take your questions. So don't put your questions in chat yet, because I'm going to do the news, and I'll miss your questions, and I really don't want to. So please save the questions. I'll let you know when it's time. We've got about 900 people in the stream, 218 likes, guys. Keep smashing it. We are so close to 300. I know we could do it. And look at this. Silver holds strong despite today's nonstop attacks, war headlines. Silver still closes up 0.18%, refusing to break. The real action starts now. Comex reopens in 50 minutes. Well, now it's 15 minutes, and the squeeze could ignite hard. Join me live. Here's the next bit of news here. And guys, this is a shocker, and I want to know all of your guys' feedback on this here. The SEC shocker today, quarterly earning reports could be gone. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is preparing a proposal to scrap the mandatory quarterly reporting requirement, letting public companies choose semi-annual, twice-a-year updates instead. This would be one of the biggest disclosure rule changes in decades, why it matters to stackers. And thank you, Daniel Whitley, for that super chat saying, tagged you on X, might be my best work. Okay, we'll go check that in a second here. But what do you guys think about this? The SEC maybe taking away quarterly reports? I've got mixed thoughts about it right now. So less frequent updates equals more uncertainty and potential for hidden problems. Classic flight to safe havens. Short-term Wall Street pressure drops. Companies focus on long-term growth. Reduced transparency often means more volatility, distrust in paper assets. But part of me thinks this might be a good thing. Maybe companies aren't going to be so worried about just the quarterly earnings. They can make bigger power moves and become better companies. But on the other hand, if they're horrible companies, it takes you a lot longer to find out. And if it dumps hard. I don't know, guys. Is it a good or a bad thing for the SEC to switch from quarterly to semi-annually? I'm curious on your opinion. And guys, Charles Vance is absolutely killing this. Look, who else is sipping their Mrs. International Stacker and coffee in style? This is from Charles Vance. Got my cup today, and it looks great next to some of my favorite pieces. Look, that germanium mint rune. Love it. Okay, here's another big news piece today. Gold's flight path. Scottsdale Mint just dropped a killer 2026 outlook. Structural bull intact, and it's just beginning. Scottsdale Silver CEO spills the bean. That's Josh Fair. Central bank stacking hard. Debt exploding. War risks. Think Iran. Think the Strait of Hormuz. Oil shocks and Comex drains. All pointing to higher gold and silver. Physical metal wins when fiat fails. And this is the article. So look at what the CEO of Scottsdale Mint said. And I love Scottsdale Silver. Yeah, I think it's probably bad as well, Maytag, but I was trying to think out of the box there. But I think it's probably going to be bad. But I need to think about it more. I got to see what actually comes out. But Josh Fair, CEO of Scottsdale Mint, was saying an awful lot of tiptoeing going on. Slowly exiting U.S. Treasuries, the bond market, into gold. Not too obvious, but steady and quiet. If you have been tuning in over here for the last 14 months, are you noticing the pattern? Still early? Yes, we're going to accelerate from here. So Josh Fair, CEO of Scottsdale's Mint, he knows a lot of the internal work is going on in the world of gold and silver. And he's saying we're still early. If you guys agree with him, put still early in chat right now. And only 22 more likes to 300. So keep please smashing it. It helps the channel so much. Silver endgame's here. Here's another article. Matthew Piepenberg lays it all out. Comex leverage at 7-1, 1 billion ounces of cumulative deficit, lease rates at a massive and rare 8%, and physical leaving vaults fast. Paper suppression can't hold forever. When the metal actually exits Comex, prices rip higher. Silver's industrial monetary demand and war chaos equals a historic setup. And this is an article here by Zero Edge called Silver's Endgame, Almost Too Obvious. So make sure you go check that one out. I did put this tweet out earlier here. It's just a little clip from a longer video, but it's a coin dealer rants here talking about fake gold at coin shows. Here's another one, guys. Here's another heater of a video. This one's by Miles Franklin. Silver leaving the Comex in truckloads. Andy Scheckman drops truth. 38 million ounces withdrawn in February alone. Not even counting what's happening right now in March. Andy says you should need an armada of trucks to haul it away, and that would never come back to the vaults. Institutions quietly redeeming ETS for physical bars and avoiding Comex spotlights while prices stay suppressed. So this is this video from Miles Franklin. Go check it out. It's a pretty good one with Andy Scheckman. And guys, make sure you follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, at Intl-Stacker. International would not fit, unfortunately. So here we go. Look at this. Silver delivery bomb. Citigroup's house account just issued 802 delivery notices on Friday. That Citigroup itself forced to pony up physical silver. Is this to meet some shorts? Some stops from other longs? What are they doing here? Total March deliveries now stand at 8,108 contracts. That's 40.54 million ounces in March. And people are telling you, it's okay, nothing's going to happen. The Comex will be fine. They'll figure it out. It's never happened before. This isn't small potatoes, ladies and gentlemen. When registered vaults are already gutted to 78 million, institutions are demanding real metal. They want their silver, and they want it now.
It's my silver, and I want it now. My silver, and I want it now. My silver, and I want it now.
It's their silver, and they want it now. So here's the delivery here at the Comex. So I don't know. I'll leave that for you guys to review. Okay, this is a pretty big deal today. Major breaking. London Metals Exchange, the LME, halts metals trading due to a glitch. The London Metals Exchange just went dark. Full trading halt across all contracts due to a technical glitch. This is the second glitch the LME has had this year. It kicked off at about 9:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lasted about 1 hour to 10:44 a.m. So about when I went off live, it happened. No metals spared, including a precious. This just isn't a glitch. It's a red flag for market fragility amid war and oil madness. Look at the chart below. Occurs as silver is moving up to the tops, up then tops out, then shocking, a dip once the glitch is fixed. For gold and silver stackers, disruptions like this scream systemic stress, not straight on manipulation. Paper markets glitch, but physical metals don't. More reason to stack physical and keep the metals out of the exchange. So to be clear, there's two exchanges in England. There's the London Metals Exchange and the London Bullion Metals Association. So the primary market in London for gold and silver is the LBMA, but the LME still has a little toe dangling here. And why do I explain that? So this gentleman here said, Grok and myself say WTF. And this is a crustacean. He's cool. He's cool, but he was calling me out, and I answered his question. And it's good for it to do this. If you guys ever think, why is he saying this? Why is he saying that? Please call me out so I can answer it or address it. I might be wrong. I love to get fixed if I'm wrong, so I don't look like a dum-dum. So he said, no, the London Metals Exchange does not currently trade gold or silver futures contracts. You're right to associate gold and silver primarily with the LBMA. That's the main hub for the global benchmark prices of the over-the-counter trading of physical metals. And here's what I said. I said, hey, thanks for jumping in and calling that out. I appreciate you keeping me on my toes and double-checking my facts. You're right that the LBMA is the dominant force for physical gold and silver pricing in the OTC trading, and is easy to confuse the two because LME is so much better known for base metals. I went back and double-checked the LME's own site and contract specs to make sure I wasn't spreading bad info. The LME does offer cash-settled gold and silver futures options under their LME Precious platform launched in 2017-2018. They're still listed and active, but the volume is tiny compared to the Comex, NYMEX, and they're not the main price discovery venue for precious metals. Most people, including me in most contexts, thinks of the Comex when we say gold and silver futures. So the halt did technically affect those small LME precious metals too, but you're spot on that the LBMA is the real heavyweight for physical spot bullion. I should have been clearer about that in the limited role of LME precious versus Comex dominance. So I did want to say that. And I did go back to try to change a few words to make that clear, but it was past the editing standpoint. But look at this chart. So the LME, again, they do have gold and silver contracts, but the main entity in England for that is the LBMA. But answer me this. How come right when that glitch started, gold and silver topped, crab walked sideways, and then crashed, and then at the end right here, so this is where the glitch started, this is where the glitch ended. And again, this is not the primary exchange for gold and silver in England, but they do have their toe in the water. How come when it started and ended, that's what happened there? Then after it was done, oh, we're going back up. Riddle me this, riddle me that. What do you guys think? Am I onto something there? Am I off base? Is it just a coincidence? I don't know. A lot of this is like reading the tea leaves, guys, and I try to help you guys read the tea leaves and look into it with all of you, but we're just going to keep pushing here. 2026 gold outlook has dropped. Monetary Metals recently released their full 2026 forecast. Structural bull market is intact with gold eyeing 6,000 to 7,000 or higher and upside scenarios by the year end per this report. Key drivers: relentless central bank buying, exploding debt, war risks, physical supply tightness. Silver gets a strong shout out too. Undervalued, leveraged upside, and industrial demand. So this is the gold report that's out. So if you guys want to read that, it's by Monetary Metals. It's free. You just got to put in your email and you can read that. And I put this out every day. PM Bug puts this out in the morning. He covers spot price around the world, which is pretty cool. And guys, when he covered this, we were at 79.32, but yet the market closed at 80.76. But on this tweet, he has a thread. If you go to his thread, he has all this great information. He has charts. He's got great stuff. So if you want more details, check that out. Okay. We're going to go here, and then I'm going to jump back to the chat, and then we're going to watch the market open together. I'll be answering questions here shortly. Look at this. Daniel Whitley. New merch range. Diamond claws are a girl's best friend. Wow. Who would buy this t-shirt? Diamond claws are a girl's best friend. That's so funny. Daniel saying, need 69. 69ers do it best. Get your mind out of the gutter. Born in 69. Whoa, Daniel. Look at this, guys. Crustaceans assemble. That's so funny. That is so funny. KH is saying, international stacker, what would you say is a decent premium to pay over spot on Germanium Mint runes? They're sweet, but all the ones I want are about 70 to 100 over. Wow. Yeah, that's pricey. KH, send me an email, and I think I might be able to find you some better deals. So, KH, I hope you're watching. Send me an email. KH, are you in chat? Let me know. Send me an email. I'll help him. I don't know if KH is in chat. I don't want to leave him hanging. Monday Silver Update with Herbal. Thank you. Shotgun Susie. Thank you. Monty, look at Bullion Bankers, Physical Silver Market. Do you feel in charge? That's silver. Oh my gosh. Crustacean Nation reporting for duty, says Silver Surfer. To the moon.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
Someday we'll be on the moon. Hopefully someday soon. LME had some issues today, said Christian. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at Daniel Whitley with the crab with the knife. Guys, things are getting serious here. And Rich Mitch, thank you so much for the super chat saying, did you see the glitch of the LBMA today? Reuters report. Yeah, it was actually the LME, the London Metals Exchange. I did, Rich Mitch. Thank you. I just spoke about it a little bit earlier, I think right before you popped in, but it was absolutely wild. And you know what else is wild, guys? This market's going to start moving here in the next minute and 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and end this poll. I ran a poll at the very beginning of the stream. Let's see what you all are saying this right now. Okay. The first candle in the market open. So remember, these candles are all 5 minutes long. The question was, what do you guys think the first candle is going to be? 58% of you said green, BGC baby. That's a big green candle. 26% of you said red, shark attack. And 16% of you said neither. It's time for a market glitch. Well, we're going to find out if there's going to be a glitch here in just 1 minute. So now we'll do a question and answers segment. So if you got questions, put them in chat. If you put questions earlier, I missed it. Just put it in chat again and I'll answer it to the best of my ability. And ladies and gentlemen, remember, when this market starts moving, it's going to be delayed for me for about 15 to 20 seconds. The charts just take a second to get moving on TradingView. So it'll be a 15 to 20 second delay. Sean Leslie said that crab with a knife makes me think we need a Chucky Child's Play crab. Wow! Maybe a Halloween edition. Here we go, guys. 30-second warning. No, the market closed. So the market opens. The market closes every day from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then it opens back up at 6 p.m. 10 seconds. We're about to have the start of the next day's trading session after hours here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me get in the ring and fight the bankers.
Smith, a fallen hard with one arm. Wow. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not. Major choke slam.
Okay, I'm trying to find a chart that's working. Bear with me. Bear with me. I'm working on finding a chart that's working here. Is Pepperstone moving? Pepperstone is not moving yet. Give me a second here. Onado's certainly not moving. Fox. There's always a little delay here, guys. It's always a little awkward. Pyth should be moving. Give me a second here. One of these charts is going to be moving here momentarily. Or is it a glitch? There's always a delay, but is it a glitch? Here we go. We're on a BGC. BGC, big green candle silver, up to $80.87. That's Forex.com. So we'll be on Forex.com for gold and silver here for about 5 minutes. Then we'll go back to Oneida. BGC for gold and silver. BGC for gold and silver. Let's see if we can hold it for the first 5 minutes here, ladies and gentlemen. Silver up to $80.82. Gold up to $5,010.44. How high will we go? How high will we go? So let's not get too excited here, but breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. I got a live feed right now from the Comex. I'm piping it in.
We're ruined.
Poor Mortimer's quite upset. And Winters here in chat saying here in South Africa, fuel's going up a lot. Diesel's going up $6.75, and power 8% hike due to Iranian war. Unstable. Wow. Sorry to hear that. What's silver doing down in South Africa? Let us know. Guys, are you seeing gas shortages around? If you're seeing a gas shortage in your country or prices going up, put the country in either shortage or prices up. Let's see what it's looking like for you. Gas is up for me down here in Key West. It went up about 80 cents for me down here, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. And guys, we're about to hit 81 here on silver, pushing pretty strong on a BGC. Gold on a BGC as well at $5,013.34. Wow, wow, wow. And Rubazar saying, did you ever find out how the silver in the Comex vault was increased around a week and a half ago? I didn't find out exactly, but they either bought it from a mint and had new bars minted, or they borrowed it from the Shanghai Futures Exchange or the LBMA. That's the two ways that happens. I haven't been able to track that down specifically. Richard Metcalf is saying oil is down and silver is up. So let's look at this. There's two charts we want to look at here. First, let's look at the DXY. And this is the dollar index. And boy, did the dollar take a beating today. Look at that. Traditionally, when the dollar index goes down, that puts bullish upward pressure on gold and silver. Inversely, when the index DXY dollar index goes up, that puts bearish or negative pressure on gold and silver. Right now, it's been going down. Oil is sub 100 here, but look, oil did just gap up here. Look at that. Oil did just gap up right there. So let's go back here to silver. Let's go back here to silver. Okay, we'll go back here to ForexCon. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, guys. Fingers just gifted 10 International Stacker memberships, and a big congratulations to Rich Mitch. You got a membership. Sun, you got one. Datsun Z-Boss, you got one. Keith Havens, Jeff, you got him. Zilveranos, you got one. Broke Stacker, you got one. Sherwood Prospecting got one. Chad Hendrick got one. Sarah got one. Guys, if I just said your name, you got a free membership. Say thank you to Fingers. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I'll be seeing y'all in the War Room the next time I do it. That's member-only live stream here on YouTube. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. Wow. Okay, and we got Finger saying, crab crazy for the kids. 2,720 crazy mega girl crab. I know, guys. So we did get the crab from the auction. SHTNF bought it and gifted it 3 times, $800 a pop. So that went to 8, 16, 2,400. Then I donated $330 or $320, something like that, on behalf of the Crustacean Nation. So that means that crab is $2,720, and I'm going to give it away to you guys in the mega giveaway. That's right. I'm filling up this box, and good news, one of you sent a chest. We do have a treasure chest coming, but all this is going to be given away to you guys soon. There's over 20 ounces of silver in here now. There's gold in here. There's Valcambi. Look at that. There's premium. That other stuff is Silvertown. We got cool poured bars. We got custom silver. We got gold. We've got freaking skulls with copper in them. We got a lot of good stuff, and all you got to do is be subscribed. The mega giveaway, ladies and gentlemen, is coming. The mega guy is coming, and look, Oneida chart is working. See, this is why I love Oneida. We gapped up, guys. We did gap up. So let me mark that, because all gaps must be filled. All gaps must be filled.
How dare you?
So let me mark this so we know the gap. We got a little gappy McGapperson. It's okay. Don't panic. We'll figure it out. There. There's the gap. So it's a baby gap. We're good. Don't panic. Okay. So we are currently headed higher. Let me check the futures price. I think we might be in backwardation. Yep, we are in backwardation. Backwardation is when the silver futures price is cheaper than the current spot price. That means people want their silver and they want it now. They're not willing to wait. I'm going to put in some quick marks here. Give me a second. Okay. 82 right there. Bang. Okay, we're ready. So silver's on the move. Let's switch gold back to Oneida now that we know it's open. Oneida is the best. Look at that. We gapped in gold as well. Right there. So let's mark this. All gaps must be filled. Okay. Something like that. Cool. Okay. So let's mark out our next targets here. Uno momento. Sorry, these all got wiped out the other day when we were having that run. Okay. I think we're good there. Let me click save. Let me click save. And we're good. Okay, guys. We are pushing higher here. $81.08 on silver. Our next target's going to be $81.40. Gold's going green, and it's at $5,013.97 on the second candle here. And it's pushing towards our next target here, $5,020. What's going to be happening? Okay, big gap up says okay. Yeah. Okay, Steven in chat saying, I'm looking for someone who has a Sigma to test my tiny gold maple leaf. I'm in New River, Arizona. Well, Steven, if you want, you could always send it to me. You can always send it to me. I'll pay shipping on the way back, and I'll make a video out of it. So if you want to do that, email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. But the best thing you could do is get on Google and call some coin shops around you. There's going to be coin shops that have a Sigma, but ask if they have a Sigma Pro. Okay. Scott Ivor saying, did you get your MegaGot package today? I have not. It's in. I got notification it's in. Skydive, but I could not make it to the P.O. box in time before the live stream, so I'll be picking that up tomorrow, most likely. Thank you. I'm excited to open it up and show everybody. Guys, Skydive Stackers sent some stuff for the Make It giveaway. 27 Maytag saying, you said you made a video on the Sigma Pro. Where can I find it? Well, it was an old video. It was an old video. I'm making a new one. It was a really old video. It was when I was learning it, and it was horribly filmed, but here it is. Here. So if you go to my channel, just search Sigma. These two will help you. But I'm doing a brand new one. This was 6 and 7 years ago. Features and stuff has changed on them. So I've got the brand new Pro. I'm going to make a brand new video. So that's coming soon. Here we go. Slammy McSlammerson's paying us a little visit here. Let's see what happens here, ladies. Well, the good news, we just filled the gap in gold. The gap has been filled in gold. We got a big red candle here. And the gap has almost been filled in silver. Oh my gosh. Just, okay, drop 2 more cents, please. For the love of God, drop 2 more cents. Look at that. That's a 1 cent gap. Are you kidding me? Did the Comex change the... Oh, I forgot to look that up, Christian. Okay, I'm not going to mess that up again. I'm going to look... like the Asian AI guy saying, they just changed it. That was 2 weeks ago. They just changed the Comex rules overnight. Look at another Asian AI guy 3 days ago. So I'm going to look that up and see. I've not heard anything about it, but I'm going to check for you, Christian. Okay, Steel City Stacker saying, I'm doing a precious metal auction tomorrow at 6 p.m. Crab Nation. It needs to show up and have some fun. Guys, check out Steel City Stacker. He is a channel member, moderator, long time. So here he is here, and he's going to be having an auction tomorrow. So if you like auctions and fun things, go check him out. 2,000 subscribers, 1,400 videos. Look at that. So if you want to go have some fun with Steel City, check him out. Okay, the gap is filled. The gap is filled on silver here. Yeah, silver. They're releasing petroleum reserves and easing oil sanctions this week to keep the prices low and recession fears at bay so that J. Powell can be interpreted as dovish this week, says Victor. Thank you, Victor. What's your vector, Victor? What's your Victor vector? Wasn't that airplane? Yep, the gaps have been closed, so I'm just happy we closed those gaps, guys. I don't want to deal with that. Let's just get them closed, and we did. We're about 5,000 on gold here, but guys, there's something we can do that some scientists say works 90% of the time, every time. It could turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Massive lizard. Let's see if the baby gator works. Yeah, guys, if Airplane came out today in theaters, every actor, the production company, everything would be immediately canceled. People could not deal with that. And guys, you know what else we can't deal with? We are just 60 subscribers away from the next big show. If you want to see a big show, make sure to subscribe. Big giveaway coming soon. And in chat, we have Skydive Stacker saying, love relaxing in the shed, pouring bars, watching International Stacker. Hit that like all. Thank you, Silver Skydiver. Skydive Silver Stacker. And guys, Skydive just sent me a package for the Mega Giveaway. Prizes to add to the Mega. Are you guys excited for that? 78 likes away till 500. And look at, guys, the baby gator's working. Look at that chomp. Look at that chomp. Ladies and gentlemen, it's science. It's absolute science. All right, let's go here and see what else you guys are saying. Let's go back here. Oh, yeah, we did do a war room this morning. I'll be doing another war room later this week in the afternoon. So we did the morning one today. And if you're a channel member or a brand new member, you can go to my channel, click membership, and you can rewatch any war room I've done. They're all in here. See, members only, members only, members only. So if you miss one, you can watch it after the fact. We have a fun time in there. Clothing is not optional. Okay, let's get physical. Physical, says Daniel. Get my mind out together. Physical silver. I want to make a video. I want to make a scene, guys. Let's get physical scene. What do you guys think? I think that would be funny. Okay. Dude, Pio Truck, the crab auction was epic. Look at this, guys. So the Chinese government has asked exporters to halt outbound shipments of nitrogen, potassium fertilizers. Now, if we go to here, actually, let's look at this. Let's look at the. Here we go. So this is the Strait of Hormuz. This is the ships coming through. The ships coming through. And sorry, I'm getting a text message here. Hold up. Okay, cool. This is where the ships come through. And 20 to 25% of the world's oil passes here. 25 to 30% of the world's liquid natural gas comes through there. Also, fertilizers come through here. Aluminum comes through here. A lot of important stuff comes through here. So that is why China is restricting those shipments right now. And Sir Coles, thank you so much for not only being a channel member, but for that super chat saying, would the Sigma investor still be worthwhile for personal use rather than the Pro model? Thank you. Yeah. The investor is just as good as the Pro in terms of the tests it does for the most part. But the Pro has an extra sensor on it, and you can do extra measurements. If you click my link below, I think the site does compare the two for you. But it's definitely cheaper. The investor is cheaper, and it does a great job. I just don't recommend the original unless that's all you can afford. If all you can afford is the original, that's better than nothing. But my recommendation is at least the investor, if not the Pro. But if you're going to buy either, again, I have a link in the description below. It gives you a discount. The code's Crabman, but it applies it automatically, and it helps my channel. I get a little bit of credit as well. Cryos is saying, let's get physical. Physical could be perfect for the scene. When all the crabs start running for the physical vault. Oh, that's a good point. I might try that. Yeah, that could be for this one here. Let's get physical, physical. Gonna get physical, physical. Let's get physical, physical. Yeah, I think that's perfect. What do you guys think? Did you like my rendition there? I think that will work fine. And this is all, oh, that is me getting retweeted by the dude. Cool. Thank you to dude. It's always fun when you see your tweet getting retweeted by people. And I covered this earlier in the stream. This is about the LMA just pulled a technical glitch. It's the second one of the year. Okay. Guys, these C-Rams are wild. Look at that. It fires like 5,000 rounds a minute.
You got the box? Did you bring it? Huh? Oh, okay.
Breaking news, breaking news. I have the Mega GA package. Mrs. IS came in clutch and picked up the packages. Who wants to see what's in the Mega GA package from Skydive-Stacker? Put Skydive in chat right now. If you want to see this box get filled with more treasure, put Skydive-Stacker in chat right now. Skydive, if you want to see more treasure. Okay, I've got the packages in hand. Whoa, this one weighs about 1 trillion pounds. This one weighs about 1 trillion pounds. I'm opening it. Let me put you guys back on the chart. Okay. We're opening it live. And I am using this Benchmade. Nice little Benchmade cutting implement here. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Okay, I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it here. No sound. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Someone's saying no sound. No sound? Okay. Sound is fine. Okay. I was panicking. You guys made me panic. I was like, how could the sound be? Oh my gosh. Wow. You guys. This is about to be so epic. I'm opening it right now. Oh my gosh, Skydiver. You guys, I don't know if you're ready for this. Wow. I'm getting it all out of the packages. Give me a second here. Give me a second here. This is all going to be free for you. You just got to subscribe. No video. Is there video? Is there video and sound? Or are you just trolling me? Am I being trolled? Okay. I got it open. Here we go. The first thing going in the Mega GA from Skydive-Stacker. Look at this monster. Should I drop it? Tell me to drop it. They said drop it. You got to tell me to drop each one or I'm keeping it from my personal collection. If you don't tell me to drop it, I'm going to keep it. Another puck. Guys, these feel like 5 ounces a pop. Here's another one. Should I drop it? Wow. These are hockey pucks of copper, guys. Look at this one. It looks like the old hobo nickels. Should I drop it? Oh my goodness, look at this one. A pirate. Should I drop it? Look at this one. Like a Celtic design. Should I drop it? Look at this, another awesome copper round here to homage to a peace dollar. Should I drop it? Another one. Should I drop it? Who wants it? This box is all being given away to you guys. Oh my goodness. Look, a little vault copper bar. Look at this one. We're putting it in. Should I drop it? Should I drop it? I'm dropping it. Wow, this is a massive one. Look at this. Should I drop it? Who wants it? I'm dropping it. Guys, this one is super cool. Look at this. Who wants it? Who wants it? Should I drop it? Should I drop it? I'm dropping it. Guys, there's one more package in here, and this one says, this one's for me. Let's see here. I'm opening it. Oh my goodness, guys, I get my own copper skull. Look at that. 100K subs, guys. Whoa, thank you so much. So this is for celebrating when we get to 100K. So I've got to hide it for now. But as soon as we hit the 100K and we give this away, this is going to be for that 100K. Wow, thank you so much, Skydiver. Guys, how awesome is that? Say thank you to Skydiver in chat. That is so much copper coming to you guys. And I do have one more box here. I'm not sure if this is going to be a Mega edition or not. Should I open the other box here? Should I open it? Where's Viola? She's right here.
What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's different. Okay. Guys, this Mega God might be my most Mega giveaway ever. The way things are unfolding. Whoa. Hold up, hold up. Who is this from? There's no name. It's a bunch of stuff. I think it's for the giveaway, but I'm not going to show it yet. I got to determine who's it from. And if it is for the Mega guy. So if you guys send me stuff, make sure to send me a letter. Let me know. Wow. Guys, this Mega guy is getting mega. Woo! We got silver, gold, and copper in this Mega guy, and it is getting more mega as we speak. Someone's saying secret stacker. Hold up, hold up. I like Lucy in Prague better than Viola, says Richard. Well, there you go. Oh, is it from you, Master Blaster, with the currency? Master Blaster, that's the one with you with the currency. That's for the Mega giveaway, right? You want me to show it on stream? Let me know, Master Blaster. It has currency in it, right, Master Blaster? You want me to show that? It's for the giveaway, correct? Okay. Here we go, guys. We got more stuff to add to the Mega giveaway here. This is from Master Blaster. Wow. Okay, this is more stuff going in. He sent a Copper Trump round. Some of you guys love Trump. Some of you guys hate Trump. Some of you guys are in the middle. This is a non-political channel. But copper's copper, silver's silver, gold is gold, no matter if you like it or not. It is getting given away. Say thank you to Master Blaster for that. Also, Master Blaster sent in some silver dimes. Look at those. Wow, a nice Mercury in there. Some Rosies. What is that down there? Oh, this one down here might be British or Canadian. So we got some silver. Thank you, Master Blaster. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Look at this, a Project Apollo, like metal. I'm guessing this is brass. July 1969, the summer of 69. Okay, that's going in there. Oh, wow, look at this. A $1 token. That's going in there. Say thank you to Master Blaster. And also he sent some other currency that I'm not going to put in there because it'll get messed up. But he sent a silver certificate. Oh, and it's a star note. Look. A silver certificate that's a star note. So that's going to be given to one of you, but I'm going to keep it somewhere safe so it doesn't get crinkled. And he sent $1 from the Central Bahamas that's going to be given away to one of you. And he sent a $1,000 gold bill from Trump. There you go. So that's going to get given away to one of you guys. Say thank you to Master Blaster. Thank you for the support. That's going to be fun. This mega guy is going to be so mega, I don't even know what to do. Wow. Thank you for the support, guys. See what you guys are saying on X. The Zero Hedge article is extremely important to silver, I think. Anyway, they're calling it out. And posted it here. I actually did cover that, Christina. If you're watching, we covered that a little bit earlier, but thank you for tweeting that at me. Guys, if you see articles and stuff, you need to tweet it at me. Tweet it at me, and if I've already covered it, cool. If not, then I'll put it out. I'll put my analysis on it. Daniel saying, IS, you rock, brother. Oh, where'd it go? Nah, okay. You rock, brother, and that rock is loaded with gold and silver. Politicians, wait. I think it's politicians, actors, they own stock in the war machine, corrupt as heck. They are playing tennis. We, the people, the ball getting smashed. Well, thank you for watching, Daniel. Do appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Okay. Think we're caught up there. We're caught up there. Let's go back here to the charts. The next big thing to happen tonight, guys, is going to be the Shanghai Futures Exchange starting to move. But daylight savings just ruined it for us. It used to be an hour and a half from now because it used to be 7. So it used to be in 30 minutes. Tokyo would open. We get excited for that. And then in like an hour after that, Shanghai would open. But now Tokyo doesn't open till 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's in like an hour and a half from now. And now the Shanghai doesn't open till 2.5 hours from now. Can we, guys, I mute myself constantly. Guys, is my audio cutting out? Or is that is that Silver Ian's speakers? Am I cutting out? Let me know. He's saying I'm muting myself constantly. If I've got an issue with the audio, please let me know. It's a troll. Okay. What was I about to say? Oh, I don't cover politics on this channel. I cover geopolitical issues, stuff that can move the markets, gold and silver. But I'm going to get political for 1 second. Who's with me? Can we abolish daylight savings? Let's abolish it. And I need to roll it back 1 hour so we can live stream. So we can live stream the market open for Comex and the open for Shanghai Futures Exchange. Because it being an hour ahead of a time, that's too long of a stream. That's like a 3-4 hour stream for me. But before we could do it, let's abolish it. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I mean, it might not be ideal to abolish it for other things, but for streaming for you guys, I think, is it true that daylight savings was back for farmers in the day? Was that what it was? I don't think that's true. I think that's what I learned. And then Mrs. IS told me the real reason. I can't remember it. What was the real reason for daylight savings? Okay, let's do this together. Why was daylight savings created? Additional daylight to be added to help save energy costs for the war. That's what it was. To help save energy costs for the war. Man. Yeah, I used to think it was for farmers. That's a common misconception. And Strait of Hormuz, guys, it does look like ships are starting to transit. Look, we got this puppy here. This bulk carrier is moving through. Just saying, Leroy Jenkins. No audio? Is there really no audio? Stream is lagging. Mic is off. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, multiple people are trolling me. Audio's fine. Okay. People keep telling me the audio's messed up. What is going on? And I got people at my door in my ring. What is happening? Okay. We're good. Guys, look at silver's picking back up here on a BGC. Looks like a delayed baby gator rally did work here. 80.93, moving back up towards 81. So far for this trading session, we're up 0.19% on silver. We're down 0.05% on gold. It's been chopping and lagging, but it's fine. Why is is it an internet issue? I think it... Hold up, let me check. Uno momento, por favor. Check 1 2 1 2 3 4. Check 1 2. Talking to myself in the future here. Okay, I just checked on my phone. It seems to be working. Maybe it was a YouTube glitch, but we appear to be okay. So we're going to keep pushing here. Keep smashing that like button. We're only 2 away from 500. Why would the stream be choppy? It's running perfectly on my computer. Huh. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why it's being choppy. So some people's choppy, some are not. Okay. Let's go here. It's a YouTube issue when people can't hear you're telling them to it's a YouTube issue when people can't hear you're telling them to refresh. Thank you, Christina. Look at this. Jason saying it's an Iranian super attack, cyber attack, says America First. So Jason's saying, thought I'd share this. Recently refined 0.999, 5.23 ounces of gold bar. Traded for gold eagles and gold maple leaves at a local dealer. Congratulations. That is sick. Great job, Jason. That must have been awesome. The feds are onto us, guys. Cut his stream. He's spilling too much truth. He's exposing the bankers' game plans.
Dudley! Smith! A fallen hard with one arm! Wow. The top. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not! Major choke slam!
Major slam. Look at this, guys. Peter spent a live view of the gold bull market. Whoa. That bull means business here. Let's go back here. Let's see the DXY. DXY is starting to move up a little bit. A double DTB formation almost there. Oil is kind of trending up. So we'll continue to watch and see what happens here. Let's go back to here. Bam. Okay. We need Mortimer. Okay.
Run.
There you go. There he is. Farmers get up before the sun every day. It just gets earlier every day until summer. Last time I checked, time to a farmer is the first snowflake after spring. Thank you, AG Farmer. Oil price down. It's actually popping up a little bit right now, but overall it's down today. Did you manage to get the panda clip of the panda fighting for its baby at the... No, I did not. I did not. I got so much to do, guys. I'm trying to keep up. I'm just trying to hold on for dear life, trying to keep up with everything, putting out so much content. I'm just holding on for dear life, trying to get you guys as much breaking news and content as possible. Daniel saying solar flares absolutely mess with the internet, getting hit CPL days. Let's see. Is there a solar flare now? Let's check it. No. We're good. It's not a solar flare. We're good. Are you buying silver? Yeah. Actually, I'm on a pause right now. I blew my whole budget for the month. So I was till I blew my budget. Variable Stacker saying, remember, 80's the new 23. Do you guys agree with Variable Stacker? Is $80 a troy ounce? We're at $80.95 right now. Is it the new $23 mark? What do you guys think? You fill the gap between me getting home and my wife, so keep on keeping on. Oh, yeah, that gap has been filled. Okay. I'm trying to see if there's any other breaking news for you guys here. We're an hour into the stream. Thank you so much, guys. Keep smashing that like button. We are so close to 600. I love these Cuban silver coins. I just love the star on them. I've got a handful. They're beautiful coins. No prob. Sorry, missed the streams over the week. My epilepsy seizures kicked my butt. Wasn't allowed screen time. Sorry to hear that, Winter, but I'm glad you're back now. Good thing I don't do any strobe lights on my streams. This is one I covered earlier, but look at this, guys. This is the gold reserves according to our U.S. debt. So in 2025, our gold reserves at the price at that time could only cover the 8,000 tons we have, could only cover 3% of our debt. But back in the 40s, our gold reserves covered 51% of our debt. And then in the 80s, it covered 18%. That just shows the degradation of the U.S. dollar to inflation. Right here. Right here. We were here. Then the Fed was created. Bang! 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 Disgusting. Oh, guys, we've got Ida here. Can you guys all chant Ida in chat? Ida. 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 She, Silver Keys, a bunch of people in the community all work together. Too many names for me to even name. But the Coin Crew is part of it. They all work together, and they raised over $70,000 yesterday and the day before for St. Jude's. That's amazing. And we've got a big silver crab. Well, it's a little silver crab in a chest coming in the mail that's been donated to give away to you guys in the mega giveaway. How sick is that? Ida, that's you. We're chanting your name, Ida. Silver Keys was a big part of it, too. Can we chant Silver Keys as well? Keys, 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 keys. Is that a record? Ida and Keys, was the $70,000 you guys raised for St. Jude's selflessly, spending hours and hours and hours of your time, was that the record? Is that the most you've ever raised? Because you do it every year, right? I think they do it every year. But that's huge. 70 grand. That's huge. Good things happen on YouTube. Yeah, they do, Tuberson. You're right. Okay, they do it every year. But was that the most they've raised? I'm curious. Or if not, how close was it to your best year? I'm just curious. Okay, let's refresh this. It was a good auction. There was lots of people there. Guys, Cuba has zero power right now. Total grid collapse. People are in the streets. Crazy stuff happening in Cuba. Mm-hmm. I'm trying to find you guys any breaking news real quick. Okay, I'm not seeing any there. Let's go back to the charts over here. Wow, guys, Dan upgraded their membership to Diamond Claws. Thank you so much, Dan. Thank you to all the Diamond Claw members in chat. I will update this in the I'll update this soon. Thank you so much. And who in chat, who on the channel right now has Diamond Claws? Let me know.
Diamond claws.
And Variable Stacker saying Mrs. Variable's mother was from Cuba. Well, I hope her family's okay. It might get a little frosty over there. But congratulations and thank you so much for upgrading to Diamond Claws. You are mega. Let's close that. Let's close the Strait of Hormuz. Let's close this. Let's close Noah. Let's close this. Let's close that. Let's close this. Comex, guys. Look, we were doing billion-ounce days, and look at now. What is going on? Volume fell off a cliff because of all their hikes they were doing. We beat last year's Silver Key set. Okay, good to know. Put a camera outside my house pointed at the beach. That would be fun. Yeah, problems in Cuba right now for sure. Every year the auction breaks a record. We need a crab. We will need a crab help for the kids. Yeah, guys, do you want a crab raid again and help next year for Ida's auction? If you do, put crab raid in chat. We'll do it. We'll come back again next year and help. It's for the kids, you know. And it could be a tax write-off depending how you do it. Of course, talk to a tax professional. I'm just some dude on the internet with crabs. Okay, here. Let's do this. Let's do this right now. I would love to do it again and help, honestly. Huh. Spray can coins, guys. Have we ever crab rated spray can coins? Have we ever rated spray cans? Dougster, that was the rumor, but I mean, there's been multiple videos of him out, so I think that's just internet hype, honestly. I don't think it's true. Oh, remote viewers live. Guys, he's a big channel member. Maybe we should do remote viewer, guys.
Falling on my ear.
He's singing. He's literally singing.
Son of God discloses.
Oh, you know what? Wait, praying and staying. Just let's make sure it's not a.
And he talks with me.
It might be like a prayer stream. If it's a prayer stream, I don't want to interrupt it. I think he's doing a prayer stream. So if he's doing a prayer stream, I think it's probably something important, something that probably not appropriate to raid with a bunch of crustaceans. But remote viewer is a big fixture on the channel here. He's in the live streams all the time. He updates us with the Canadian prices. So we'll watch when he's doing a non-prayer live stream, because again, I don't want to mess up a prayer live stream, because those are a little bit more serious than a bunch of crustaceans flying. So we're gonna do spray paint cans. That's what we're gonna do here. Yeah. Okay. I go to church, guys. I'm religious, so that's why I don't want to flood it with crabs. Okay, here's the situation. We've been going for about an hour and 15 minutes so far this evening, and boy, has it been fun. We added a bunch of stuff to the mega giveaway. I'm going to be live at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning, and this box just keeps getting fuller, guys, for the 100K. Make sure you're subscribed. Turn on that notification bell, and right now, we are going to go crab raid this gentleman right here. And remember, this is meant to be fun. Please drop crabs in the chat when you get there, and please smash the like button. Up to you if you want to subscribe, but please do those two things there. So we'll smash this like button and do that. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the morning. And I guess I'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one.